Altron is a leading engineering and manufacturing company specializing in the production of industrial fan and blower machinery. With a strong focus on innovation and precision, we are proud to offer a diverse range of advanced solutions tailored to meet the needs of various industries. Among our flagship products is the Joby axial fan line, available in both semi-automatic and fully automatic models. These fans are designed for optimal performance, durability, and efficiency, making them an ideal choice for industrial ventilation systems. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is equipped with the latest technology, ensuring the highest levels of precision and quality control. We utilize a CNC 4-roll rolling machine for precise shaping, a seam welding machine for durable, high-quality welds, and a hydraulic flanging hole punching machine that streamlines production while maintaining accuracy. These advanced tools enable us to meet the rigorous demands of modern industry, ensuring that each product we produce exceeds expectations. At Altron, quality is a core value. We are proud to have obtained CE certification, a mark of compliance with European safety and performance standards. In addition, our innovative designs have earned multiple patent certificates, highlighting our commitment to developing cutting-edge solutions that set us apart from the competition. Whether you're looking for reliable industrial fans, high-performance blowers, or specialized machinery, Altron is your trusted partner in engineering excellence. With a proven track record of quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction, we continue to push the boundaries of industrial manufacturing.